Hello everyone, let's see how to share Excel file with the view only access. So here, this Excel file saved in my computer. If you want to share it to other using the view only access, you first need to save this file online in OneDrive. So first let's check where is this file saved. So go to the file tab, then click on the info. You can see the file name data here showing. Below this file name, download showing. It means this file saved in downloads folder. You can check the location also. Click on the open file location. The location will open and you can copy the path also. So I just copy here path and open my notepad and here use the control V to paste. You can see in C drive user admin in downloads folder data file here save. Okay. So this is a way, so you can check the file location. Now this file I have to save first in OneDrive. So I click on the save as, and now here I select the OneDrive personal. Okay, I simply double click on it, and here the dialog box is open. You can see in top side the location this PC C drive user admin in OneDrive. Okay, so I save this file in OneDrive. I click on the save and wait for the few seconds, and it's done. The file is saved in OneDrive. Okay. Now again I go to the file tab in info. Now you can see the below this data file name OneDrive personal here showing. It means this file saved in OneDrive. After that, to share this, go to the right hand side and click on here the share option. You can see here the first share option, second the copy link. You can just copy the link and share to the other person to open this file. And then click on the first option, share. At the right hand side, here you can see the first enter the email address of invite people. So I just add here the email address. Then I press the enter. Then here you can see the second option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can give the permission to can edit on can view. So here I select the can view. You can include the any message here, and after that you can share it. Just click on the share option and here the small dialog box will open. Wait for the few seconds and it's done. Your Excel file here share with the view only access. Okay, I just close this Excel file. And the second way to share Excel file with the view only access, I open my file explorer and go to the left hand side, click on your OneDrive. And here in OneDrive, you just simply right click on your Excel file and click on the share option. And here one dialog box will open. Enter the email address. So here I enter the same email address. So I select this one. And in the right hand side, here you can see the pencil icon. Just click on this arrow and here you can give the permission can view. After that, you can add here the message if you want. Then here in the above side, the settings option, just click on it. Here the link settings is showing. The more setting you set already can view. You can set here the date also. Okay, and you can set the password. So I just click on the set date. So here I select the 20 August. So user will view this Excel file 15 August to 20 August. Okay. And you can set the password also. I just enter here my password. Okay. Done. After that, click on the apply. And after the setting, just click on the send to send your Excel file. And it's done. Wait for the few seconds. And here done. Link share with the This is the email address. You can check here when you keep cursor, you can check the share with the this email address. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.